Hello! So today we're going to go over the Vita Novice website, which is where you took the SuperStrong previously. If you have the old form of this that you filled out previously, make sure you have that with you. If you don't have it, the link for this will be in the video description below. So to relook at your SuperStrong results, you're going to click on SuperStrong under Assessment, and it's going to give you your interest code. And then when you scroll down to the bottom, it's going to show you your top 6 career interests. Make sure that you rated those interests. If you did not, then go ahead and rate them now. And then click Save Ratings when you're done. After you do that, you're going to go back to the Home button to go back to the dashboard. Once you go back to the dashboard, you're going to click on Santa Ana College under Connected Organizations. Once you do that, the page should look like this. And you're going to change the display from matches to all. And it's going to say by meta major. And you're going to click on display. Once you do that, it will look like this. And for example, the career and academic pathway here is art, media, and performance, which is under creating our world. I also pulled up the Career and Academic Pathways PDF file for Santa Ana College. So if you see here, it says Creating Our World, Art, Media, and Performance right there. It also shows up over here. So Art, Media, and Performance, Creating Our World. So make sure that you're exploring the different career and academic pathways and the different degrees and programs within that academic pathway. You have from now until graduation to select the best fit or program for you. You're going to need to pick a career and academic pathway in order to put in your application for Santa Ana College. And you can also use this for your senior project, which would be really important. And if you don't decide to go to Santa Ana College, you can also use this to discover different career and academic pathways for your future college. And then under here, you can click on example occupation. So let's click on this one. And it gives you a job summary, job details. It has different information. So you can click through all of this to find out more information, and they also have videos for some of the occupations, and you can go ahead and research this in your own time. And there's the related education, so just really research to find the best degree or pathway for yourself. And this is just to help you be better prepared for when you're picking your career and academic pathway or degree or program. Thank you.